How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you will find different icons. Head towards the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards the option of archive. Open it. At the very top you can see this option of post archive. You have to tap on that drop down and select the option of stories archive. With that you will find all of your stories archive. Now how to delete it. Right now in the Instagram there is no such option to delete all the stories archive at once. So what you can do is open each of these manually in this way. At the bottom you will find 3 dots. Tap on it. With that you will get this option of delete. You have to tap on it. Delete this story. Tap on delete. With that you have just deleted archive story of your Instagram. Likewise you can apply the same process to delete other stories archive as well. So this is how you can delete all archive stories on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.